Hey there, future business owner. Ever dreamed of starting your very own car dealership but feel held back by a lack of funds? Well, you're not alone. The good news is that starting a car dealership with no money isn't just a fantasy, it's an achievable goal. Is it really possible to start with no money? Let's address the elephant in the room. Can you truly start a car dealership with no money? The answer is yes, but it won't be easy. You'll need resourcefulness, determination, and some strategic thinking. Many successful dealerships started from nothing, using strategies like leveraging partnerships, offering consignment sales, or utilizing online platforms to sell cars. If they can do it, so can you. Research is your foundation. Before diving into the car dealership world, research is your best friend. Start by understanding your market. Ask yourself, what types of cars are in demand in your area? Are people looking for affordable used cars, luxury vehicles, or something in between? Who are your competitors? And how are they serving the market? Use tools like Google Trends, local classifieds, or even visit competing dealerships to gather insights. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to carve out your niche. Crafting a winning business plan. Here's what your business plan should include. Market analysis. What's the demand in your area, and how will you meet it? Budget and financial strategy. Even if you don't have funds, outline how you plan to secure them. Operational plan. How will your dealership run daily? Will you sell online, work on consignment, or partner with wholesalers? Goals and milestones. Set realistic, time-bound goals. For example, sell my first 5 cars within 3 months. Having a well-thought-out plan can also help you attract investors or secure loans. Creative ways to fund your dealership. Now, let's address the money problem. Starting a dealership without capital may seem impossible, but there are plenty of creative ways to fund your business. Investor partnerships. Pitch your idea to family, friends, or even local investors. Offer them a share of your profits in exchange for startup funds. Government grants and loans. Research programs designed for small businesses or startups. Many governments offer funding opportunities, especially if you're creating jobs. Crowdfunding platforms. Websites like Kickstarter or GoFundMe allow you to raise funds from people who believe in your vision. Wholesale agreements. Build relationships with wholesalers who may let you sell cars on consignment, meaning you pay them only after you've sold the car. The key here is to get creative and not shy away from asking for support. Starting small. Starting small is not a setback, it's a strategy. You don't need a massive car lot or dozens of vehicles to start. Here are some ideas for getting started. Start with 1 or 2 cars and reinvest your profits into growing your inventory. Use your home as your business base initially to save on overhead costs. Offer car brokering services where you connect buyers with sellers for a commission. The goal is to get your foot in the door and gradually build your business. Marketing on a budget. Next up is marketing. You don't need to spend a fortune to get your name out there. Here are some affordable marketing strategies. Social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are perfect for showcasing your cars and building a brand. Content marketing. Create blog posts or videos about car buying tips, maintenance advice, or the benefits of buying used cars. This positions you as an expert in the field. Word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to recommend your dealership to their friends and family. Remember, visibility is everything. The more people know about your dealership, the faster it will grow. Exploring online dealership models. Did you know you can run a car dealership entirely online? Platforms like AutoTrader, eBay Motors, and Craigslist allow you to list and sell vehicles without needing a physical showroom. You could even try dropshipping cars, where you sell vehicles without holding any inventory. When a customer buys a car, you purchase it from a supplier and have it delivered directly to them. This model drastically reduces your startup costs. Legal and licensing. Don't forget the legal side of things. Every car dealership needs to comply with local regulations. This might include registering your business, obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, ensuring all vehicles meet safety and roadworthy standards. It might seem overwhelming, but these steps are essential for building a legitimate and trustworthy business. Building relationships in the industry. Success in the car dealership world often comes down to relationships. Build strong connections with wholesalers, suppliers, and even other dealers. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, better deals, and invaluable advice. And there you have it, a complete roadmap to starting your car dealership with no money. Yes, it's challenging, but with the right mindset, strategy, and determination, it's absolutely achievable. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in purchasing cars, just go to this website and clinch it now before they get sold out.